Hello all, welcome to my YouTube channel again. My name is Ashish Khare, and again I came up one new life learning, which is challenges and opportunities. So in every aspect of your life you will get lot of challenges. If you are started your work, you will get challenge, whether you will be able to finish it or not, right? So every moment of life the new challenges will come to you. uh, you have to overcome it, and you have to take it as a positive way, and make it done, right? The things make it done, and at the same time you will get a lot of opportunities as well. You should have courage to take it very positively, right? So here the learning is challenges and opportunities. So challenge means if you started your work, or going to start your work, right? Maybe you can get some problems from outside people, like you have started your work and they will pulling you back, because they do not want to see like you are growing and all. So they will pull you back. You should have ability to move forward and neglect those type of peoples, right? So this is very much important in our daily life, because in our daily life we are going towards our achieving something. We should have good thought process, how to overcome commit the things, how to present ourselves in the world. So lot of challenges will come to you. You have to make your path very clear, where you want to go, what do you want to achieve in your life. The vision should be very clear cut, then only you will be able to get the things done, right? So yes, challenges definitely will come in your path, because if you are going in the right direction or right path, the automatically challenges will come, and God will take your exam, like uh, he has provided one beautiful life to you. And because in daily life, or when we are in a school or college or something, right? So examination happens. If you want to pass the examination, you have to prepare yourself. You have to prepare your subject if you want to clear your exam, right? The similar way, the life also applies the same. For getting more marks, for getting more grades, you have to pass the exam, right? So life also will take some exams from your side, and challenges will come to you. You have to pass your life, and you have to upgrade yourself, right? So yes, you will definitely will achieve upgrade yourself, upgrade your mindset. So in the preparation kind of thing, you have to prepare on daily basis. See, no one becomes great in one day, right? This is a true fact. And if you want to go on the top, right, you have to start from now. And day by day, daily improvements will make you great. This is the thing, right? And opportunities, yes, opportunities in daily life you will get, definitely, right? So what you need to do is, whenever opportunity comes to you, you just take it very positively and achieve it, and get the things in rightly manner, right? And yes, so opportunities are, this is very important in our life. So whenever it comes to you, just take it and grab it, because only the successful people are great mindset people, having the courage to take it and done it. So quickly response, maybe initially you will get fail in that, right? But day by day, if you do, day by day if you practice it, you will get it. So make sure you should not compromise in your preparation. Yes, definitely it will be happen, and this was my life learning. Actually, what I'm thinking is, whenever something is coming to you, just take it. And if you're not sure how to do it, when you take it, right, so the 20% or 30%, even 50% has been already done. Your mind will accept it, right? And if you take it, and you will have some plans to you will have some plans to complete it, right? And yes, the 50% done, already done by thinking, right? So yes, this was my life learning to share with you, all people. Again, I will come up with one new life learning with you. I will share with you all. So thanks for watching. Stay with me. Thank you so much.